Hello everyone, welcome. For this week, I'm going to be going over orthographic projections. So orthographic projections basically is the front, the top, and the side views of an isometric view, basically, of an object. So I guess for this one, for this week, it's going over how to create front, top, and side views from isometric views. And pretty much an isometric view, just to summarize, it's pretty much this object. So this one is going to have dimensions on it, and I'm going to be going over on how to create this front, top, and side view, basically just as shown right here inside this circle. And pretty much also a keynote for for whenever you guys start from once you hit the third one, you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use a 45-degree guideline, and it's pretty much a way to help you out on how to draw the third one. And this is going to be 3 of 3 orthographic projections. There's 1 of 3 and 2 of 3, so there's going to be 3 total. And this is going to be a follow-up to the isometric views. And I'm going to be providing links to those as well, where to find the other videos for the orthographic projections and which video ties to which on the isometric views as well. So, just to summarize, the these two cubes up here, these are the isometric views basically. So, and it's pretty much gonna tie in which one's the front, which one's the top, and which one's the side. So this is pretty much the orientation every single time you see like a 3D view of an isometric, and it's always gonna follow the same procedure. It doesn't matter which way it's rotated. This is always going to stay the same, the orientation of it. So, for you guys, anybody that's new on creating a front, top, and side views or isometric views, this is a really good go by for you guys. So always try to keep this somewhere as a note. So I'm gonna get started on this one. And pretty much the first thing you gotta do is changing your polar. So down here you have your polar setting. So if you click on the drop down arrow, you guys are gonna have these different degree angles. So isometric views use 30, 60, 90. For this one, for orthographic projections, we're gonna be using the 45-degree angle. Just if you just click it one time and it's set. And the reason for that is for that keynote, for that 45-degree guideline. That's the only reason why we're changing it to 45. So to start off, we're going to be doing the front view first. So your dimensions for the front view is going to be 4 inches for your height, and for your width it's going to be 5 inches. So I'm just going to click a point somewhere, and I'm going to be going over 5 inches to the right. Now I'm going to draw another line, and it's going to go up 4 inches. Now your next one's gonna be the going across from it from the top. So you have a 2 inch up here coming from your top view. So just tap in 2. And we don't know what degree or what's the angle on that one. So we're gonna just go around it and go down here. So we have this dimension right here, so it's gonna go up 1 inch on the right side. So now you got these 2 points covered. So now you could just draw just connect the points, and that's gonna be your front view, guys. So I'm just gonna double check on it, just so you guys can see it. So we had the 4 inch, and we also have the 5 inch. So that's, that's based on the front view. And I'm just gonna change these colors to yellow. So the next one's gonna be your top view. So I'm just gonna be using this as a guideline for my perimeter. So your top view is gonna be the green section basically. So your dimensions for your perimeter for your dimensions is gonna be, you're gonna be using the 5 still, and you also have that 3 down here basically. So we already drew our 5, which is this one. So you guys could use that as a, as future reference. Always use a, use a front view for creating the top view. And now we're going up 3 on this one. And we're going to be going over 2. Actually, sorry about that. Nope. Yeah, that is correct. We're just going to be drawing a line straight through. And the reason for this line, it's going to be this line, basically. And you're going to be closing in on that shape, basically. So that's, coming from the top view, that's this piece. So now we're going to be doing our side view on this one. So, for the keynote, draw a 45-degree guideline. So I'm just going to pick it's typically on the bottom right corner. So I'm going to be drawing this one's just going to go across from my base point. And the reason for that 45 degree is for draw a line from your top view and click on intersecting line. So now we just drew our perimeter for that. So now the only thing, it's going to be that blue section. So and that's actually going to be it, guys, for your side view. So if you guys look at from the side, you guys are going to be looking at this section. So this top view, pretty much it's mixed with the blue section, like with the side view as well. So you're also seeing this part, but you're looking at it from the side. So, you know, and this is just so you guys can see it. So that's looking at from the side view. So this exercise is complete for 3 of 3 orthographic projections. So if you guys have any questions on this, leave some comments down below on the video. And I'm also going to be providing links to the other two videos for the orthographic projections. And for if you guys are enjoying these videos that you guys found on my page, or the links to the other videos, just subscribe so I can and so you guys could get the updated videos I'm going to be posting every week as well. Thank you guys. Be safe and stay healthy as well. Thank you.